Go nowhere. Let's create lemon chicken. And what I have here are some chicken thighs. This one have a leg. Some of them are clean. I want to show you, but they have some bones. And some of them have the skin. Doesn't matter. I've also boiling some potatoes because I'm going to prepare this with potatoes. And this is a very simple recipe. So let me start with the chicken. Let's start with the chicken. Let me use some salt. And I'm going to also use some pepper. That's all I need. Then I'm going to grab a paring knife. I'm going to puncture this baby because I want the flavors to go inside. You can also kind of cut the skin and put it under, but I don't want to overdo it. Just want to keep it nice. And add the salt and the pepper on this side. You see, it has some bone here. Bone give flavors, you know. Sometimes people try to be finicky and modern or whatever, and they are denying themselves the ability to enjoy a very nice meal. Let me sprinkle from a distance. Do the same with the pepper. Let me rub it in and do some more stabbing because you want the flavors to go through. Nice looking lemon. And I'm going to cut it in slices. I have a relatively large pan, extra virgin olive oil. To some here. Medium high heat. Medium high heat. This is about a quarter of a cup, if that. Make sure this baby gets hot. Preheating, time to bring the chicken. If it has skin, make sure the skin is facing down, okay? Oil's hot. Like for example, this one, skin down. About 3 minutes later, come to flip it. See the nice golden color. And this is the first step. You still have to do the wine, vinegar, the lemons, all that kind of stuff. And we're going to do the same for the other side. 3 or 4 minutes, okay? About 3 minutes. Take them out. Put in a different container. See? I let it cool down for about 3 or 4 minutes. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to add some white wine vinegar. This might be jumpy, so let me move it out. Say about quarter of a cup. And then I have some balsamic vinegar or Modena, about the same amount. Ooh, it smells good. Going to add the lemons, the slice. And I had this at medium heat, by the way. Going to squeeze a little bit. And I'm going to let these juices caramelize for about 3 or so minutes. Now this is going to be too liquidy. It's been 3 minutes. So what you want to do, if you want to thicken a little bit, you can put a little bit of cornstarch, or you can play with the flavors by making it sweeter. I have here some honey. Just put a little bit. This is about maybe a tablespoon. What it's going to do is going to sweeten it naturally, but at the same time, it's going to thicken it a little bit. You're caramelizing this stuff. Move it up for about a few seconds. Increase the heat to 2 notches, about medium. Return the chicken because you're going to cook it now. Kind of recooking it. You want the chicken cooked. This is not steak. Wow, the chicken tastes good. And because I have little holes, you should remember what I was puncturing earlier. What it means is the nice juices and stuff are going to go inside the chicken. But we're not done with the flavors. I got a couple things I want to add. So let it cook one side for about, let's say about 4 or 5 minutes. About 4 or 5 minutes later, let's flip these babies. I have to lick my fingers here. Had that nice sweet flavor, nice color. And as I flip these babies, see, what I'm going to do is I'm going to cook the other side for about 4 or 5 minutes. Because you want these flavors to do their magic. Let me lower the heat to medium and cook it for about 4 or 5. But the last stage is going to require a little bit of aromatics. What do you think? I have a couple of rosemaries. I'm just going to put them there. And I'm going to let them cook. If some of them disintegrate, who cares, right? I just want those aromatics. Oh my goodness. The aromatics. Look how beautiful is looking. So I have some baby arugula. Let me put a handful there. A little bit more just in case. I have some capers, optional. Just a little bit. Squeeze a lemon. A little bit of extra virgin olive oil. Gone Spanish. Just a few drops. What you're going to do, you're going to mix it up. And this is going to add some flavor and greens.